Woo! Look, look. They're everywhere. Nice little red. New spots, baby. We are in Mill Cove in Jacksonville, Florida. I mean, it is freaking perfect conditions. Like, it is super, super calm. Love all the docks that you can fish here. It is dead low tide. And I have no idea what I'm gonna catch here. Really don't. Let's go find out. Oh, dude, that was sick. Come back. Come back. Dude, that was a nice hit. Oh, come on. The key is you don't want to stop reeling it. That was a red. Alright. Oh, that would have been nice. Get on the board. Oh, dude, that was sick. Come back. Come on. There we go, baby. Doesn't feel very big. Unless it doesn't know it's hooked, it's coming right at me. Oh, yeah. There we go. Nice little red. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, shit. Coming under the boat. Beautiful fish. Let's go. On the top. Right in the corner of the mouth. Nice. Let's go, guys. Woo! Is there anything better than topwater? It's so hard. It's so hard to beat. It's so freaking fun. Let's go. So he's 19 and a half. He's a keeper. I'm just not going to keep this one. I've already missed another fish, and I think there's some bigger ones in here, but look at all the spots on this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. Blue tail, and then 1, 2, 3 on this. So 7 spot fish, beautiful. Let's let them go. Live another day. Oh my gosh. Fuck. Frick, sorry. Dude, that was such a good fish, and I was switching sides. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Oh my gosh, that was sick. Oh God, oh no, no. That was so sick. The red fishing has been absolutely insane today. I've probably had 10 blow-ups on topwater, and they're having a hard time eating it. So I'm going with this gold spoon now. Beat up, tried and true. I I have a really good feeling that this is gonna be the bait to get the drag singing. Let's go find out. Yeah, we're gonna rip that. Oh my gosh, it just went for it. It just went for it. They're right there. There we go. I knew it. I knew the gold spoon was gonna work. Does he even know it's hooked? It's coming right at me again. Oh yeah. Woo! Let's go, baby. I was like, oh, finally. I've missed so many on Topwater. Is my drag really loose? Or is this a better fish? Oh, it's in deeper water, that's why. That's a better fish, baby. Let's go. I knew the gold spoon was gonna work. Oh, there goes the paddle. Right in the corner of the mouth. Healthy, 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 healthy red. Let's go, baby. Literally 6 casts later, gold spoon. Got this bad boy. Beautiful red. Bigger than the last one. I'm gonna let it go. I'm just out here having a great time. It's Sunday, just keeping it chill. Man, wow, that was super fun. Let's go get another one. Gosh, that was fun. Let's go. Yes. What is it? It's small, whatever it is. It's the smallest red. Oh, hungry little fella. Let him go. Insane day. I love words. It's been an insane day. So much action, perfect weather. I love getting to fish new spots, and typically it takes me a few days to make a video in a new spot just because I don't know the area well, and there's so many fish here in Mill Cove. It's insane. Like redfish galore. Definitely if you're in the Jacksonville area, I would check it out. It is so fun. So much fun. Look. They're everywhere. That's like the 5th time I've seen them out here. Oh my gosh, that's incredible. Incredible. Oh, dude, I'm in the strike zone. This could get really interesting real quick, guys. Oh my gosh, dude, literally. Oh, no. Are you kidding? Are you kidding me? I wonder if they're jacks. I would love to get a jack. That would be so fun. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. That was Topwater hit. That was a big blow up. right in this little flat. Let's see if anybody's home. There we go. God, that was sick. Where are you taking me? Oh my gosh. Beautiful fish. Let's see if we can get some action standing up, if I can make it. Woo! Super healthy fish. Wow, what a beauty. Nice blue tail. Wow. Nice fish. Gotta watch out for these treble. All these fish are super, super fat back here. Oh. My goodness, almost lost them. What is this, my first time? Dude, what a freaking stud. Beautiful blue tail. Let's see, I'm gonna guess 22, let's see. $21. Such a solid fish and freaking healthy. Let's let him go. What a day. What a day. Gosh. It doesn't get much better than this. The topwater strikes, the everything like is aligning. It's freaking awesome. This has been too much fun. Let's go. Oh, what a day. Happy Sunday. Happy freaking Sunday. Let's go. With all the chaos that happened that day, I forgot to make an ending, and I wanted to get y'all's opinion on this style of upload. I included a lot more of like missed fish, like talking and stuff like that, and was curious if y'all like that style or if you just want me to show me catching the fish and that's it. But anyways, I appreciate y'all watching so much. If you haven't yet, like, give it a like, subscribe, that would be awesome, and I can't wait for the next one. Thank you.